बनाते हो?
यार हद हो गई, every vlog will start with this only.
That you make me cry. Removing my mask कहीं पुलिस तो नहीं होती? Good morning world, how are you guys? Welcome to vlog 2. My name is Cherry. In case you don't know me, like and subscribe to my channel in case you want to know more about my life. And today is just the usual day. I have a shoot today, so ignore the makeup. थोड़ा ज़्यादा makeup करना पड़ता है because we do it in like studio lighting, तो थोड़ा अजीब लगता है like if you don't put a little more. Plus it's like bright sunny day, so ज़्यादा लग रहा है makeup अभी camera में. Any which way, just look at the mess right there. So I have a video to do which is like a sari video. I have a video कि मुझे सारी hacks दिखाने अपने reels में, and I have to wear a freaking shaper which I can't find. I'm done with those two almiras finding it, and this is my third one. I'm just taking out the pile, trying to find it. I'm just so freaking annoyed because जब भी shoot day होता है, जब भी कोई shoot होता है ना, तभी मुझे ये सब चीज़ें नहीं मिलती. Otherwise मुझे सब चीज़ें मिल जाती है. And ignore my collection of random ass t-shirts. The only kind of breakfast I can manage in the morning, which is cold coffee, because Nishant, the person who shoots for me, is gonna be here in another 5 minutes, I think now. Also, update from my last vlog, I have still got this blister and it's still in a very bad condition, so I can't walk properly, and today I have to wear heels, and tomorrow also I have a shoot, so yeah, I have to be like this, so I have to wear heels. Plus I feel like my feet is like my foot is like, you know, it's like this, you get it, like ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगता है मुझे somehow लगता है कि ये मेरा ज़्यादा है, पता नहीं. So it's weird. Like this is basically the third change for the day. I've already shot 2 reels very fast. Now we're gonna do another reel. So today is just like a reel day, shooting in my white backdrop. And yeah, this is how the setup looks like. Not so interested person over there. Yeah, this outfit is also quite pretty, apart from like this thing, I don't know, but like I'm matching with the bed sheet. Basically मैं अपने सोफ़ा को बचाने के लिए मैंने एक बेड शीट लगा दी है, because जब घर पे कोई नहीं रहता, you do not get so much time to do like dusting and stuff. So I just wanted to save my sofa because we're anyway gonna shift from this house. So just trying to save things जो बचा सकती हूँ. This is like my 8th change for the day. It's like such a cute dress. I love it. I love it. So basically we are heading to a friend's place because अब हम birthday parties में नहीं जाते, अब हम सिर्फ रोका parties में जाते हैं because everybody is in that stage of getting married. So one of my friend is basically proposing his girlfriend, like kneeling down. Is that the thing? What do we say that? What do we call this occasion? Just a proposal, right? So basically he's doing a surprise proposal for his girlfriend, and we are all gonna go.
We're waiting for the surprise, whether she says yes or no.
Of course she's gonna say yes. Whatever it is, like basically we are like clowns. We're gonna stand at the back with like marry me balloons. So हम वो करने जा रहे हैं, volunteers है. Apart, mind the language, bro. Like kids watch my vlogs. I'm gonna beep it any which way. It's chill. I'm gonna pick it up. It's my bag. So yeah. So basically, we are volunteers for the proposal, and a very.
Look nice even without the even with the mask.
Yeah, I know. I have guts to not wear my mask on the road because Delhi में चालान भी है. I don't know.
You're not worried now because you don't have to pay. It's
I have my bag along with me. Just kidding, bro. That is not how it works, okay? I pay the bill as well. Do not lie in front of the camera.
But you won't be paying the fine.
Why? I have Paytm and GPay. I can pay the fine. It's like me utilizing someone else's engagement setup.
Basically.
Cute, guys.
How will Nishan take a picture from there?
Yeah.
What's happening? How are you?
She knows that.
She has thrown a fucking fit.
Bruh.
Say hi to my vlog camera. Basically, I'm here for a shoot with Myntra. I'm shooting some content for their app and we're just shooting some videos. So yeah, I'm just a talent here. I'm shooting videos for them and this is like the space where we are shooting the videos. Now it's 8 o'clock and we're still left with like 2 videos. Oh, it's actually 8:30. We are still left with like 2 videos. I'm quickly gonna show you this shoot area, I think. The director's table and the shoot area.
Yeah, treat it like a mirror, get your, yeah. Give me one still shot also, which is normal hairstyle. Smile, give me a furious one. That's it, hold it, you have to remember this pose.
Say bye. You tortured me till 10 o'clock.
But we started late also.
10 o'clock
We
back up.
started late.
उनको लगेगा मैं हमेशा तुम्हें लेके जाती हूँ हर काम के लिए.
I'm your official driver.
We are going to buy a new camera today. I already have a vlog camera, but I wanted to buy another camera. So yeah, I'm gonna go buy a new camera and guess what? We're going to fucking Janakpuri to buy a new camera because I was getting it at a better price here. So we are driving down from south to west to get a new camera today. Such a clingy person, I mean. A lot of you also think that I'm always like decked up in like makeup and shit whenever I'm stepping out. To be honest, I'm the last person who does makeup. Whenever I'm stepping out, I'm always like barefaced with just some moisturizer because whenever I'm shooting, I put on makeup. So these are the days when I just let my skin breathe. I want to show you guys what I recently purchased. I got an open box for slightly cheap because yeah, budget issues whenever you buy like equipments. So मैंने ले तो लिया है open box. मुझे नहीं पता कि अभी अच्छा है बुरा है, but ले लिया, पैसे दे दिए. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so clingy. I'm like, it's so delicate, to be honest. Like you need to be like really careful while shooting with this because of the lenses. It's a 360 lens, so obviously the lens is like popping out. What is happening? So I basically curled my hair for the first time after coloring my hair. I think it looks pretty damn cool. Abhi curls khul chuke hai because obviously it's been like 2-3 days, but I just don't want to wash my hair. You get that feeling, right? When your hair is like all proper and you just don't want to wash your hair and you just keep praying that oily na ho. That's what's happening. I'm just like praying that oily na ho and I'm just not washing my hair. I'm going to Goa, my first vacation after COVID. I don't even know if it's like a wise decision to go travel. It's just so surprising that everybody agreed. Everybody was like, yeah, let's just book our tickets, and I was like, kabhi ye Goa plan kabhi successful nahi hoga because a group banta hai aur koi book nahi karta, but everybody booked their tickets and I was like, wow, this is surprising. So yeah, it's like an not so impromptu trip, but an impromptu trip where we all are going to Goa for literally a week. And this is the mess I've created, which I just wanted to show you guys. This is all the clothes that I have taken out. This is not it. There are 2 more piles in my drawing room and in the dining table that ye sare kapde eligible hai mera Goa trip ke liye. So I'm just gonna like take out the cream out of the lot and pack my stuff. So just in case you wanna see what I packed for Goa, and if you want to know how I pack for Goa, then let me know in the comments below. I will do another video on it, like a dedicated video, like as to what exactly I packed. Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you enjoyed watching my vlog, which is Kabhi Lit Kabhi Shit with Cherry. This hashtag is so pretty cool, don't you think so? Just let me know in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, show it to your friends if you want me to do more such vlogs, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Lots of kisses. I'm just in a good mood.